up, guys? This is the episode 8 of our survival series, isn't it right? Ethan, but why are you sitting in my bed? Okay, that's why, but whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna activate my face camera. You can see my face, and I don't know why. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Just okay. Today, guys, I have something important to do. I told you in the episode in the wait, this is episode 9, yeah, almost episode 10, the two number. Okay, in the episode 8 I told you guys, in the episode 9 I will do what is this called, Enderman, killing Enderman. But no, I will not do that. We're gonna do that in the next episode, but because I have something to do very, very important. That is right. I will build a automatic fish farm. I saw this in JC Place. Yeah, that's right, JC Place. If you don't know who's JC Place, it's a great. If you want to see his channel, link will be in the description below. Just click the link in the description below if you want to see JC Place channel. That's right. So today we're gonna do that. Okay. I think we need an hopper. Yeah, hopper, like, and minecart with hopper. And we're gonna need minecart. Okay, so we need iron, all of that. Okay, we need that. And we need the hopper. Where is the hopper? Let's just type up hopper. Whoa, a chest. Okay, I have many of those. Okay, wait. Okay, let's grab that. And we're gonna finish the mining, okay? Where's the chest? We need the chest. Yeah, there it is. Old school Minecraft adventures. Look at that. Okay, Minecraft with hopper. That's what I want to see. How can I craft rail? Oh, rail. Yeah. I need that. I'm sorry, Iron, for wasting you, because I really need to build this. And we need stone. Oh, we have stone already. Okay, that's so good. Okay, so we will need bucket as well. We have bucket. Do you have bucket? Do you guys see a bucket anymore? Yeah. You see it in my inventory. What am I doing? Am I blind? Comment right now if you think I'm blind, because I'm totally blind. Okay, we need one of those. Okay. Oh, it's getting late. Okay, we gotta do it tomorrow. Oh, Ethan, you're sleeping with me. That's so cute. Okay. Yay! Good morning, pork chop. No, this is mine. Oh, okay. Here. Breakfast. Okay. So we're gonna build that. Okay. So, okay, let's go. Okay. First, we need water. Yeah, water. Water bucket. Okay. So we're gonna make this as well. Okay, where should we build it? I think we'll build it over here. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's go. I need to cut for a minute. Okay, guys, I could just clean that out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, let's go. Okay, well, keep on. Okay, guys, so I've just built this. So next thing we're gonna do is to fill up this space over here by 4 blocks deep. Okay. Damn it, dude. Why? Okay, let's go then. Okay, blah. Chung. Chak. Okay, guys, I ran out of stone, so we're gonna get one of those in our mine. In my mine. Yeah. Okay. Let's grab this. No. We don't need that. Okay, let's just shortcut. Almost fell. Okay, I'm just doing like this so I can easily just get here and grab all the stones I need. I don't want to waste. Fine, I'll waste. Okay, fine. Let's go grab our stones. Gold. I don't need gold. Okay, fine, I'll take it. Okay. How should we melt it? Boom. What level 15. Okay. We're gonna grab more of this bad boy. Okay. Bad boys up, bad boys. Stones come to Papa, babies. Seriously, dude. Okay. Now let's grab two stacks of cobblestone. Let's grab this, grab, and boom, 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 boom. Okay, guys, so I got 2 stacks of it now. Look at that, 2 stacks, baby. Let's go. Now let's go back to our farm that we build. Okay, let's get up here. Sorry, mining. Go up. Ethan. No, Ethan. Eat the potato. Oh my god. Hey. No. You need to focus. What am I doing? Come on. Okay. Let's go. Hello, Piggy. What's up, dude? Okay, let's just put there. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Good. That looks good. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, guys, we just fill up all of this space on one bit here. Okay, so let's put that there. Don't worry, guys, when I'm gonna get up. Okay, so on how we get up now. Okay, that's okay. Let me build the stairs over here so I can easily get up in my base. Okay, so let's put water there so we can create an infinite water source. Okay, let's grab those. One more water. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go. Okay, just wait. We're gonna get rid of that later. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this water. Infinite water source. Okay, now let's just fill up all of this space. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna fill up all of this. Oops. There. Fill up. Okay. Boom. Okay. Whatever. Okay, let's just boom, 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 bam. Look at that, dude. Okay, now let's fill up all of this space. Okay. We're gonna build a stairs again. Okay, this. Yeah. Okay. What? Get rid of that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's just fill up all of this. Okay. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, so we just fill up all of this space over here. So next thing we're gonna do is to add fish in here. What am I doing? Okay, guys, I need to cut for a minute, and when I go back, the machine is done. Okay, wait. Okay, get rid of all that. Sorry, guys, I'm just paused here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. I know you're boring. Oh, leave, come on. Cut. Oh, come on, dude. What is wrong? Okay, just get rid of that, all of that garbage. Yeah. Boom, boom. Mini spins. Okay, so I got many leaves. What should we do with the leaves? I have an idea. Let's decorate our house with leaves. Oops. Get rid of that. Yeah, looks cool, dude. Okay, now let's just sleep. Okay, we need fish. There's salmon. There it is. There's the salmon. Okay, grab that real quick. Yeah! Haha! Woo! I got the salmon fish. Hello, Mr. Fishy Boy. How you doing today? Look at that. How you doing, mister? Do nothing? Yes. Nothing. Okay, let's just put that. Put a stairs in it. So we cannot. So, let's go. Put. Bye. Hello. Hey. Help. Come back in the bucket. I'm just proving if I can put him in the bucket again. Hey! Okay, that's not... Oh. Is it lagging? No. That's not important. We need to build our machine. So, next thing, we're gonna put a chest. Where should we put our chest? Okay, let's put it in this corner. Let's put it in this corner over here. Okay, let's put a chest in that corner. Okay, automatic. Okay, okay. So I got plenty of wood. Okay, look at this wood. I cut this down. Okay, now let's put crafting a chest and a sign. So, okay, wait. Damn it! Give me back my wood. Okay. We need that. Actually, we don't need. We don't need that garbage. Yeah, that's all I don't need. Okay, let's just come in here. Okay, that's good. That's all I don't want anymore. Okay, I really need that. Okay, let's grab our chest in our inventory and let's go and dump. Yep. Okay, let's put it in this corner here. Okay, let's just yeah. Okay, put a sign. Yeah. Okay, we need water, so we're gonna grab water. I don't need basalt. Put it there. Okay, let's put water in this chest. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. We can open and close. Okay, that's good. Can we grab it again? Okay, let's grab that. Whoa, you can grab it. Okay. Come on. Okay, that's fine. Fine. There. Boom. That's all I want to do. Okay, so what's next? Okay. I think you should put a chest in here. Yeah. Chest! Why do we need so many chests in this? Okay. Fine. Whatever. JC plays. Okay, JC plays rebuilding this, so I will trust him for now. Okay, so let's make an automatic, right? Automatic. Maybe we should bring woods to us because we need more chests and more chests. Let's grab our double chest here. I think you should put a chest. Okay. No. Okay, let's put that aside. Yes. Okay. And I think you need lava. Oh no. Whoa! I think you need lava, guys, for that machine over there I'm doing, but we're gonna go to the nether again. But first look at my farm, how much they grow. I'm grabbing this. I am grabbing all of this. Hard work. Nothing for me. Okay. Let's grab all of that. Hey. Grab all of that. Grab all of that. Okay, now we're gonna put more seeds down. I got 37 seeds. That's so cool. Okay, now we're gonna plant all of this meat so we can make bread. I'm the fastest wheat farmer. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the dangerous quest to the nether. Eat salt. Die. Sorry. Okay. Let's go to the nether, boys. Nether boys is down. Okay. Gravel. Oops, don't go to the net. Don't go. Oh no, please. Please, get out. Oh! 100 IQ points. Bang! Oh, wait. Are you holding? Stop. Whoa, we need Enderman. Okay. Kill that. Kill them. Kill it. Boom. Whoa. Whoa, 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 calm down. Oh. Whoa! Okay, we bring. Okay, grab the lava. Let's get out of this dangerous place forever. Yeah! Is that it? Okay, we need to get out of here. Fast and ASAP. Fast and ASAP. Oh no, it's getting late. Damn it. Okay. Just eat salmon. Okay, now let's rub our sword in our hands again. We're gonna complete the machine tomorrow, guys. So we're gonna sleep first and we'll continue the machine tomorrow. Bedtime. Bedtime, baby. I have green screen, dude. Forgot to turn light on. Okay, now let's complete. The reason, guys, we need lava because it's to stop from the fishing rod for durability. It doesn't need durability anymore. It will totally infinite. Okay, that's automatic infinite. Okay. The thing we're gonna need is a stairs up. Okay, now let's place our blocks. Okay, this is the last thing we need for this machine. Okay. Boom. Boom. Look at that, dude. Okay. Now, just not forget about this. 1, 2, and the slab. Boom. Ah, that's so cool. I think my machine did work. Did it work? It just go to the lava, dude. Okay. Let's grab that, and that's all. Whoa, oh no. I think the slab needs to be more down. Dummy. Okay. Ha! Yeah! Look at that, I'm not stopping from going to the lava, dude. Okay, now all we need is a fishing rod. Let's try if this totally works in my life. Okay, I think the machine is done. Okay. Okay, so we don't have strings, dude. What the heck? We need to kill a spider. Oh no. Okay, we need to kill a spider to get the strings that we need. Or maybe we need a cobweb. Cobweb is too hard to get. Okay, can we craft cobweb? That will be pretty weird if we can craft of one of them. Okay, so let's type stripes string. Whoa, you can craft. Oh no, spider webs. Can you craft? Oh no, you cannot craft cobweb. Dang it! What should we do now? Cobweb. Come on, dude. We need. That's all we need now. Cobweb. Wait. Okay, cobweb. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a wandering trader. Yeah. Where's that? Oh, no. I'm shooting my farm. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Now we need one of those. Dang it. Now we have to wait until nighttime. Okay, guys. It's nighttime. It's time to hunt some animals. No, not animals. Monster. Okay, where is this Spider-Man? Spider-Man, where are you? Okay. Make sure there's spider. You guys see any spider? Tell me in the comments now if you see spider. So I'm preparing. Okay, where is the spider? Okay, so we need a spider. Come on. Show me spider, dummy. Show me a spider. Spider-Man? Spider-Man! Wait. There's missing something over here. What's this? Whoa! What the heck, dude? What the heck? Kill you with my axe. That's what you get. There is a spider. Whoa! There is two spider. Two Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Where are you, Spider-Man? Hello. Bang! Bang! No strings about that one. Hello. Hey. Do not run away. Okay. That boom. Come on. Okay, where is that spider? Whoa, behind me. Trying to kill me, huh? You're your boss. Whoa, you have strings? He didn't drop strings. Why? Come on, dude. What happened? That's all I want, strings. Are you kidding me? And there's the village that we found. Oh no, I need strings. Dang it. Okay. We need strings. We need the strings. Please. I really need strings. Oh no. Oh no. I need strings. Come on. Okay. Got the body bed. Minecraft Mojang is best spawn. Spawn tent. Bees. Save me, beat. There is one spider. If this doesn't drop any of that I want, I'm done. Yes! Two strings. Wait. I need more strings. Wait! Wow! Yes! Yeah. Hello, sir. Oi! What the? Wait. I'm out. Plop. Yeah! Haha, save me, bitch. We have the baby that I want. That's all I want. See? Nothing hurts. That's all I want. Fishing rod. With the diamond sword, baby. Come on, dude. Give me some bread. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, sleep, boys. Time and okay. Let's see if this works now. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. If this works, oh no, it break. Are you kidding me? Wow! No, my machine break. Creeper, Shibaliba. Okay guys, now it's well fixed out, so we're gonna put our lava back. That stupid creeper blew up in my house with no reason. It's gonna pay. Okay guys, this is it. This is the machine. I've already done it. There's my fishing rod. And trust me guys, this is not gonna lose a durability. But it lose durability because I accidentally got it. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Did it work? Did it work? Okay. Okay, there's the fish. You can see that? Yeah! I told you. Look at that. All of that garbage that I did. Yeah, guys, that looks cool. I got a code already. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Yes! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Look guys, it's not losing durability. Look at that. Look at my fishing rod. It's not losing durability because we don't need durability. because there's lava. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. I'm so happy. Okay. Okay. Yes. Woo. Woo. Come on, come on. Lagging. Luckily I put this slab because I don't want to accidentally walk in lava, and I don't want it to rain at me. Yeah. Oh, I got an enchanted book. Oh my god. Curse of Vanish. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh my god, I keep fishing it. We got an awesome loot today, boys. This is the best episode ever I have ever made in my entire life. Okay, let's fishing more. Woo, I got bed. I'm so happy. Look at that. I got Depth Strider. That's a rare enchantment. I think the Depth Strider is you can walk faster in the water. Yeah, that's very good. Whoa, a bow. Whoa, flame on breaking while I'm thinking. What the heck? Oh my god, no way I did this. No way, am I dreaming right now? Oh my god, I don't know. I don't know if I am dreaming or not, but it's so cool. I'll keep two of them. And look at my levels. It's giving me the best levels I got. Oh, I'm so happy. Woo! Yes. Woo! Keep me. Yes. I love Minecraft. Oh my god. Now we need to craft an anvil so we can put that enchantment in our bow or fishing rod. Come on. Look, I got tropical fish, dude. I'm so happy. Woo. Let's go keep fishing it. Woo. Woo. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I did this. Okay, look at this, guys. Okay, look at this, guys. It's getting narrage. Oh, it's black out. Look, it's black out, guys. Okay. Look at this. I'm not gonna lose durability. I heal I heal already. I heal my fishing rod already. Look at this. It's not gonna lose durability. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Boom! It's not gonna lose durability. And you can keep fishing until you whatever you want. Let's see my bow first. Okay, what we got? Wow, let's go. Hey, I don't need strings anymore. Now you're here, I have strings. Dummy. It doesn't even drop string. Okay, dumb. Oops. Boom, boom. Let's just keep fishing. Woo! Woo! I got the best loot in Minecraft. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. The automatic